In this in-depth guide, you will learn exactly how to install a marble door threshold with precision, durability, and a beautiful finish. We start by walking you through the preparation process, including measuring the doorway accurately, checking for level surfaces, and selecting the right marble piece to match your interior design. You will see how to carefully remove any old materials, clean the area thoroughly, and prepare the base to ensure a strong and stable foundation. We then move step by step into the installation process, showing how to apply the right adhesive evenly for maximum grip, position the marble threshold correctly, and use leveling tools to achieve perfect alignment with the surrounding flooring. Special attention is given to creating clean joints where the threshold meets tile, wood, or other flooring materials, ensuring a seamless and professional look. You will also learn advanced techniques for making precise cuts when the marble piece needs adjusting, as well as tips for handling the material safely to avoid damage. Finally, we cover finishing touches such as smoothing edges, cleaning excess adhesive, and polishing the surface to bring out the marble's natural shine. By following this guide, you will not only achieve a functional and elegant doorway transition but also add a touch of luxury and value to your home that will last for years. In the second part of this comprehensive guide, we go beyond the basics and focus on the finer details that separate a standard marble door threshold installation from a truly professional and long-lasting one. We begin by discussing the importance of dry fitting the marble piece before applying any adhesive. This step ensures that the threshold sits perfectly in place without gaps, height differences, or awkward angles, allowing you to make any necessary adjustments before committing to the final installation. We then explore how to choose the correct type of adhesive or mortar depending on the subfloor material, traffic level, and environmental conditions, such as moisture or temperature changes. You will learn the proper method of spreading adhesive evenly with a notched trowel to guarantee full coverage, avoiding hollow spots that can cause the marble to crack or loosen over time. We also demonstrate how to gently lower the marble. In the third and most detailed part of this guide, we focus on the refinement, finishing, and long-term maintenance of your marble door threshold so that it not only looks stunning on the day of installation but continues to enhance your space for decades. We start by walking you through the post-installation inspection, a crucial step often overlooked. Here, you will learn how to check every corner and edge for proper adhesion, confirm that the marble sits perfectly level across the doorway, and ensure that all transitions between different flooring materials are smooth and safe to walk over. Even the slightest unevenness can lead to discomfort, premature wear, or tripping hazards, so this phase is essential. Next, we delve into surface finishing and polishing techniques. You will see how to use fine grit polishing pads or specialized marble polishing compounds to enhance the natural color and veining of the marble, giving it a luxurious sheen. This section also covers edge refinement, where we show you how to soften sharp corners or uneven sides to achieve a refined, custom-crafted appearance. We explain the importance of sealing the marble with a high-quality penetrating sealer, which will protect it from stains caused by water, dirt, or spills, especially in high-traffic areas like doorways. We then address long-term care and maintenance strategies. You will learn which cleaning solutions are safe for marble and which to avoid, as harsh chemicals can etch or dull the surface. We recommend gentle pH-neutral cleaners, paired with soft microfiber cloths, to maintain both cleanliness and shine without scratching. You will also see how to spot early signs of wear, such as hairline cracks or dull spots, and how to address them promptly before they become major problems. For homeowners who want to go the extra mile, we share optional decorative enhancements, such as framing the threshold with contrasting tile or adding a beveled edge for a more elegant transition. Finally, we explain how this small but impactful detail can elevate the entire feel of your home, blending functionality, safety, and timeless design. By following this extended set of instructions, you will not only perfect your marble door threshold installation but also gain the knowledge to keep it looking flawless for many years, making it a lasting investment in both beauty and practicality. In the fourth and most advanced part of this guide, we take your marble door threshold installation to a true professional level by diving deep into specialized techniques, expert problem solving, and premium finishing methods that are rarely shared outside of industry circles. This section is designed for those who want not just a functional and beautiful result, but a masterpiece of craftsmanship that stands out as a centerpiece in their home's design. We begin with advanced alignment strategies for situations where the surrounding floors are uneven or slightly sloped. You will learn how to use precision shims, adjustable supports, and self-leveling compounds to create a perfectly balanced base for your marble threshold, even in challenging conditions. We also explain how to blend the threshold seamlessly into the adjacent flooring, whether it is ceramic tile, porcelain, hardwood, or carpet, ensuring there is no visible height difference or awkward gap. This kind of seamless integration is the hallmark of a skilled craftsman. Next, we focus on the aesthetic artistry of marble selection and placement. We cover how to choose a threshold with grain patterns or color tones that either complement the surrounding materials or create a striking contrast. For those aiming for a luxury finish, we explore book matching techniques, aligning the marble's natural veining across the threshold to create a mirror-like effect that enhances visual flow between rooms. We also share tips for installing LED accent lighting near the threshold for a dramatic, modern effect, making the marble glow subtly in low light. We then go into professional finishing and edge detailing. You will discover how to create a bullnose, chamfer, or. In the fifth and final part of this comprehensive series, we explore the long-term considerations and professional insights that will ensure your marble door threshold remains a stunning and durable feature of your home for generations. This section goes beyond installation and maintenance to focus on how to adapt and care for your threshold in response to changes in your living environment, lifestyle, and emerging trends in interior design. We start by addressing how seasonal and environmental factors can affect marble thresholds over time. You will learn about the impact of humidity fluctuations, temperature changes, and direct sunlight exposure on marble's structural integrity and appearance. Practical advice is given on how to monitor these conditions and implement solutions such as climate control or UV protective window films to minimize potential damage. This knowledge is vital for preserving the threshold's natural beauty and preventing common issues like discoloration, cracking, or surface erosion. Next, we dive into renovation and upgrade options for older marble thresholds. Whether you want to refresh the look with modern sealants, replace worn or chipped sections, or even completely redesign the threshold to match new flooring styles, this section provides detailed guidance. We explain how to safely remove old marble pieces without damaging the surrounding floor, prepare the area for new materials, and select updated designs that harmonize with contemporary trends while respecting the original aesthetic of your home. For homeowners interested in sustainable practices, we highlight eco-friendly sealants and cleaning products that maintain marble's elegance without harming the environment. We also explore sourcing responsibly quarried marble and how to integrate recycled materials into your renovation projects, promoting green building principles without sacrificing quality or style. Finally, this part offers tips on how to document and preserve your marble threshold's installation history, including photographs, maintenance records, and material certifications. This documentation can be invaluable for future repairs, resale value, or simply passing down craftsmanship knowledge to future generations. By mastering these advanced insights and long-term strategies, you ensure that your marble door threshold is not just a beautiful and functional element today but a lasting legacy of refined taste, careful care, and professional excellence that enhances your home's character well into the future.